What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory. Safety is #1 priority, and today I'm gonna show you how to peel the orange the Russian way. Let's check it. Yesterday one of my friends was peeling orange with a knife and she had a lot of problems. She was peeling it like that and she would peel it with a little bit of orange, and orange juice, you know, it would just spray out everywhere. And you know, when you get orange on your hands, it gets very sticky and nasty. So, or if you peel it with your finger, sometimes you just like takes so much time to peel it like piece by piece, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you a very simple way to do it. You grab a finger over here and here, you know, on these two dots, and find approximately middle and cut it too, but don't cut it all the way in half. Just cut it when you feel it's like you cut to the peel, but you don't cut to the orange, you know, like very little bit, and just keep going all the way around like that. And you see, I come back all the way around, and now all you do is, you see, peel it up like that. And just go around like this. Look how simple it is. And now on the other side. Stick a finger in there and go around it. You see, very simple and very fast way to peel it, and you can make an orange candle out of this thing right here. All you need is put oil in here, like vegetable oil, and light this thing up. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Click over here in the description below. Check out my Facebook as well. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that video. Very simple way to do it, and very nice. You see, it's all peeled off in half. And you can spread it by pieces, no problem. You see what I mean? I'm about to eat it. It's gonna be very good stuff. And yeah, one more time, check out the video. Very cool video, orange candle. It's a zombie apocalypse video. You guys like zombie apocalypse videos? Haven't done one in a while, but soon I will. But this is like how to peel an orange the Russian way. Very easy way, very effective. Let me know in comments what do you think. Let me know in comments if you know easier way to do it. If not, it's cool, and maybe make a video responses. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, maybe like that video, and I'll see you later.